The name Lagos, which means lakes in Portuguese, was given by Portuguese seafarers who landed here in the 15th century and opened the slave market, which was banned in the 19th century. Since 1861, the British colony was here. In October 1960, when Nigeria gained independence, the country's rapid development began. Lagos has become a mega city. The official date of establishment of Lagos State is May 27, 1967. The landmass of Lagos State is 3,577 square kilometers. The administrative center is situated in Ikeja. Among all African cities, Lagos ranks first in terms of both population and area. It is also one of the 10 largest cities in the world, ahead of even the Philippines, Manila. As for the state itself, it is the smallest in Nigeria. This seems rather unusual considering the largest population density. Lagos began to grow rapidly in the 70s of the last century when an oil boom in Nigeria began with the discovery and the start of active development of new oil fields. Half of all Nigerian industrial enterprises are located here. Unfortunately, this negatively affects the local ecology. Lagos is a port city, an important transport hub of the country. In Lagos, 80% of imported products arrive in Nigeria are processed. The Port of Lagos is the top 10 of the best ports in Africa. The seaport of Apapa is the most capacious in Nigeria. Ferry traffic between the mainland and the island is performed regularly. Also, Lagos is a major economic and cultural center. For Nigeria, Lagos plays the role of the local Hollywood. All the local movies are cast here. For a long time, Lagos was the capital of Nigeria, but in 1991, Abuja acquired this title. The largest number of Nigerian millionaires is observed here. Lagos is really the center of wealth and success. More rich people can be found only in Johannesburg and Cairo. Nevertheless, there are also many poor inhabitants who have anyway didn't cross the threshold of poverty. Officially, for 2017 in Lagos live more than 15 million people, but in fact, this number is much greater. And it is unknown what the real population of Lagos is, since it is impossible to count millions of people who come in search of earning from all parts of the continent and live here without and with documents. Lagos is included in the list of the fastest growing states of the world. I can't forget to mention one of the biggest challenges in Lagos, which is Lagos has one of the most craziest traffic jam in the continent. Oh God. You practically have to wake up very early in the morning to get to your business destination, so as to avoid being stuck in the traffic jam when the cock crows. So I would advise the state government to tackle this challenge by providing other alternative means of transportation around the city, which can be by a railway or a monorail. That way, residents and visitors can move around the city efficiently and affordably doing their businesses. With all that being said, guys, the fact remains that money dey Lagos. So I hope you find this video very informative and interesting. If you do, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe. Ode.